the heart of a bustling city, squeezed into a compact space, lies a unique home. Surrounded by constant activity, this house faces a challenge: privacy in a crowded world. Necessity breeds invention. Designed vertically, the house prioritizes accessibility. Public areas gather on the ground floor, while family life unfolds on the upper levels. But even relaxation needs peace. The clever solution? A private oasis, a swimming pool on the second floor, the heart of the family space. The cascading waterfall drowns out city noise, creating a tranquil haven. This cascading beauty isn't just for show. The waterfall's descent doubles as a sound equalizer, masking noise from gatherings below. Privacy concerns? A tall, opaque wall shields the house from neighboring apartments. But this isn't a fortress. The opposite side embraces the city with open arms, capturing the vibrant energy. Inside, the design is as intriguing as the exterior. Blurred lines between spaces create a sense of mystery. Semi-public areas feature open voids, fostering connection between indoors and outdoors. Private areas maintain a sense of enclosure, yet clerestory windows ensure ample light and ventilation. This vertical haven thrives in the tropical climate. Strategically placed funnels leverage natural air pressure to expel hot air and draw in cool breezes, a symphony of nature's design. This house is more than bricks and mortar. It's a testament to thoughtful design, seamlessly integrating a family's life with the vibrant tapestry of the city.